Hello everyone, welcomes to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic about quiz. Question 1. Why is having a consistent study routine important for academic success? It allows children to avoid studying altogether. It helps build discipline and reduces stress. It ensures children can multitask effectively. It guarantees perfect grades without effort. Answer. It helps build discipline and reduces stress. Explanation. A consistent study routine helps build discipline, reduces stress, and improves retention by creating a structured approach to learning. Question 2. What is one benefit of prioritizing sleep and nutrition for children? It allows children to skip studying. It fuels focus, memory, and mood. It guarantees they will never feel tired. It eliminates the need for physical activity. Answer. It fuels focus, memory, and mood. Explanation. Sleep and proper nutrition are essential for a well-rested brain, which improves focus, memory, and mood, all of which are critical for academic success. Question 3. How does limiting screen time benefit children academically? It ensures they never use technology. It helps them stay present and productive. It guarantees they will always finish their homework. It allows them to avoid studying. Answer. It helps them stay present and productive. Explanation. Limiting screen time reduces distractions, helping children stay present and productive during study sessions. Question 4. Why is reading beyond textbooks beneficial for children? It helps them memorize their textbooks faster. It sparks curiosity and expands vocabulary. It ensures they never need to study again. It guarantees perfect grades in all subjects. Answer. It sparks curiosity and expands vocabulary. Explanation. Reading beyond textbooks, such as stories and articles, sparks curiosity and expands vocabulary, which enhances overall learning. Question 5. What is the purpose of setting realistic goals for children? To make them feel overwhelmed with tasks. To build motivation and confidence through achievable targets. To ensure they finish all their work in one day. To guarantee they never make mistakes. Answer. To build motivation and confidence through achievable targets. Explanation. Setting realistic goals helps children build motivation and confidence by achieving small, manageable targets. Question 6. How does practicing mindfulness benefit children academically? It allows them to skip studying altogether. It helps calm nerves and sharpen attention. It guarantees they will never feel stressed. It ensures they will always get perfect grades. Answer. It helps calm nerves and sharpen attention. Explanation. Mindfulness practices, such as deep breathing or short meditations, calm nerves and improve focus, which are essential for effective studying. Question 7. Why is it important for children to ask questions and seek help? It ensures they never need to study again. It prevents learning gaps and encourages curiosity. It guarantees they will always know the answers. It allows them to avoid difficult topics. Answer. It prevents learning gaps and encourages curiosity. Explanation. Asking questions and seeking help prevents learning gaps and encourages curiosity, which are key to understanding and mastering new concepts. Question 8. What is one benefit of balancing study and play for children? It ensures they never have to study. It recharges the brain and improves concentration. It guarantees they will always finish their homework. It eliminates the need for physical activity. Answer. It recharges the brain and improves concentration. Explanation. Balancing study and play allows children to take breaks and engage in physical activity, which recharges the brain and improves concentration. Question 9. How does self-assessment and reflection help children academically? It allows them to avoid studying. It fosters independent learning and growth. It guarantees they will never make mistakes. It ensures they will always get perfect grades. Answer. It fosters independent learning and growth. Explanation. Self-assessment and reflection help children review mistakes and track progress, fostering independent learning and personal growth. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.